I work with a lot of farmers in the farm business management space. And the number one issue that I get a lot of farmers talking to me about is how to manage their cash flow. Now, historically, farmers have been asked by their banks to do a monthly cash flow. That's projecting forward what we think each month of income we might have and what each month of expenses might have, because the banks want to know how much overdraft you require and when it might be paid back. Now, traditionally, farmers have got that planned cash flow and they've chucked it in their front drawer, top drawer, and not pulled it out until this time next year, which really means that they haven't taken in the value of that cash flow. Because good cash flow management is doing the planning as well as monitoring the actual. That means we can be more responsive as we go through the season. We can manage those risks of fluctuating commodity prices, interest rates, and droughts and frosts and fires and things like that. But the frustrating thing that farmers are telling me is that, we're now getting on top of our tax. We can measure our income and expenditure really easing in zero. In fact, a lot of farmers are shifting to zero to do that, but there's no budget planning activity in zero. In fact, they then resort back to Excel, try to do the actuals in Excel, which is fraught by two reasons. One is that there's always errors that you can have in your Excel spreadsheet that are never picked up. And secondly, it takes a lot of time to do that. So there's a term that's coined death by Excel. If this is an issue for you, there is smart ways of doing this with technology where we can do our actuals in zero and we can use other software to do our planning so we can match our plan to actual. In fact, demonstrate to the bank we're really using this to help managing their risks in us as well. If you're interested in getting on top of this and making it efficient, come over, talk to us, go to our website, contact us, and we'd love to have a chat to you about that.